Hi, my name is Margaret Ingalls. Today's date is March 7th, and I'm just going to turn that away above me, excuse me. Today is March 7th, 2021, and this is just the card I'm going to be referencing with some items that I need to mention on the chicken wing. So here is my chicken wing. On the top here you have the end of the humerus, these two little ridges there, and then right below we can see what would be the ulna and then the radius, which articulate with that humerus. So if we see this shininess that's on top of all three of these bones, that's the articular cartilage. And in between these bones, we would have synovial fluid, and then that would be enclosed by the synovial membrane, which would be just right below underneath here. And then closing off that synovial membrane would be the articular capsule, which I cut right above and below. So you can see this bottom part right here of the articular capsule, and then the top part right here of the articular capsule, and that keeps the joint completely shut together. So none of that fluid can leak out, and the joint can articulate properly. So shininess is the articular cartilage. The fluid that would be in between all three of these bones is the synovial fluid, enclosed by the synovial membrane, and then the articular capsule, which covers the joint. And that is my chicken wing dissection.